The Enforcement Directorate (ED) probing the top security money laundering case has issued fresh summons to Shiv Sena MLA Pratap Sarnaik's sons Vihang and Purvesh. The agency has asked the siblings to appear before the agency on December 23. Earlier, 5 summons had been issued to Vihang Sarnaik to join the investigation by ED, while 2 have been issued to Purvesh to join investigations. Purvesh and Pratap Sarnaik were asked to join the investigation on Monday by ED, but both failed to join, after which fresh summons were issued. Sources said the agency could issue fresh summons to Pratap Sarnaik also to join investigations. Vihang had earlier cited his wife's illness for not being able to join the investigation, while Purvesh said he was ill. Sarnaik, who is facing an inquiry by the Enforcement Directorate (ED) in connection with the 175 crore rupees money laundering case registered against Tops Group promoters, along with his sons, got preliminary relief from the Supreme Court earlier this month. The Supreme Court in its order had stated that no coercive steps be taken against the petitioners. Sarnaik, his son Vihang Sarnaik and brother-in-law Yogesh Chandegala had approached the Supreme Court and filed a writ petition. They had sought to be interrogated in presence of their lawyers and asked permission for videography and audiography during interrogation by ED in the Tops Group case registered by the agency. 5 summons were issued to Vihang Sarnaik to appear before the agency, while 3 summons were issued to Pratap Sarnaik to appear before the agency. The relief to Sarnaik comes just a day before Sarnaik is to appear before ED officials on December 10. ED had earlier arrested Amit Chandal, a close aide of Sarnaik, and M. Sashidharan, the former MD of Tops Group, in the case. Last month, ED officials conducted searches at the residence and offices of Sarnaik. Sarnaik had stated on December 10 that ED doesn't need to issue summons and they can just inform him and he will available within the next 2 hours to join the investigation. Despite the assurance, Sarnaik has failed to appear before the agency on Monday. ED has questioned Sarnaik's close aide Sanket Mo, his brother-in-law Yogesh Chandegala and few other officials from Tops Group in the case. Tops Group promoter Diwan Rahul Nanda is said to be in the United Kingdom and ED officials have located his properties and accounts in the UK.